one.
So hypnotizing. Could you be the devil? Could you be an angel? Your touch magnetizing. Feels like I am floating.
Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ambrea Marshall and look what I got in the mail today. Boxy Charm February edition. I am super excited to open this. I have yet to open it, so I'm not 100% sure what is in here, but there's a few items, fingers crossed, that they're in here. So let's get to opening. Hello Charmer. Oh, I see something that I was wanting on my list. Yay! Galaxy Glow is a theme this month. How cute. Okay, I'm gonna save that bad boy for last. First thing on the list, Bella Pierre. I'm totally butchering that. I know I am. Fine Loose Cosmetic Face and Body Glitter is fun, versatile, and extremely brilliant. Enhance your look with touches of glitter to go all out with a dynamic or intense glitter effect. Again, this sells for $15. And I don't know if you can see that, but it's pretty much just a glitter. Okay, on to the next. Next we have the Vintage by Jessica Smoky Eye Pencil in Jet Black. Now this sells for $21. It's a richly pigmented smoky eye pencil that delivers intense jet black definition. Super jet black, and I've let it dry for a little bit, and let's just see. Yep, it smears, so it's definitely, like it says, it helps with a smoky eye. It's definitely not something you'd want to use to tightline your water lines. Next is the Crown Pro Trio Brush Set, and this sells for $29.99. You have 3 different sizes of brushes in here. We will start off with the blending brush. Ooh, super soft. Yeah, it's super soft. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all, so let's put that in our little collection. Next, and I'm not 100% sure what I would use this for. Maybe a contour? Maybe? I don't know. But you have a medium-sized brush. And then last but not least in the brush set, you have a larger brush. I think this is the one I would probably use for contour just because it has that tapered point to it. And again, super soft. Next on the list is the Cover FX Shimmer Veil. And I have the color Amethyst, and this sells for $28. Super pretty. Let's see what it looks like on the hand, shall we? It's really pretty. It's super creamy, and it says it is not supposed to crease into the eyelid. Last but not least in the item is the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighting Powder. The packaging is super cute. There's no names on here though, but super cute. And that is what they look like. This is the one item that I was really hoping that was in my box this month. And let's do some swatches. That yellow shade is gorgeous. Literally gorgeous. Oh my goodness, that yellow is gorgeous. Possibly my favorite one. That is super pretty. Super pretty. That's gonna be probably my daily for a while. Yes. Ooh-wee. I can't get over this highlight, y'all. And that is it. Super quick video. Let me know if you guys liked this version of the quick unboxing and just showing you the different products, or if you liked my last version, which was the get ready with me using the Boxy Charm items. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Until next time.